Star Wars is a staple of the movie franchise, and LEGO Star Wars is not an exception. Today I will be going over the top 5 LEGO Star Wars death sounds. Let's not hesitate and get into these juicy sounds. Number 5. Jar Binks. Jar Binks' LEGO Star Wars death sound is always an instant classic, and whenever you hear it, you know it's from LEGO Star Wars. Let's show you the sound. Number 4. Darth Vader. Darth Vader is the main villain of this Star Wars series. And of course, he gets the generic male death sound used for many characters. It's still a great one and makes you scream, LEGO Star Wars. Let's see the death sound. Number 3. IG-88. IG-88 is one of the bounty hunters in Darth Vader's Imperial Star Destroyer. He's very good, and his death sound is as well. Yoda. Yoda is a trademark character in Star Wars, and he is a certainly important death sound. Number 1. What else is there to say? This is Jango Fett, the man, the myth, the legend. He is the most famous death sound in all of LEGO Star Wars. Take a listen. If you enjoyed this video, be free to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications. Till next Saturday.